When COVID hit, we were out of business. So I put on double masks. I flew to León, Mexico, and it's where we bought all of our leather. Because if you don't know this, León, Guanajuato, Mexico is the leather hub of all of it, all here. So we came down here and we started up doing a small amount of making down here. What we found out is the artisans down here were so much better. I'm Curtis. I'm the CEO and founder of Portland Leather Goods.
Hi, Curtis.
And no one on this silly channel even knows that because this is the YouTube channel for Portland Leather Goods.
Yes.
Now, we're pretty well known in the D2C community.
True.
Because we have a big LinkedIn presence. And we do videos for years now and enlighten people with our insights.
Yes. And have fun with it.
And I didn't know until yesterday that Portland Leather Goods actually had a YouTube channel. Did you know that before that?
I did not. I assumed.
So we went on there and we're like, this is dead. There's not us. There's nothing fun. So we're going to start doing videos for the people at Portland Leather Goods. And I'm going to give you some like little inside things. This here is Mariana's office and the creative office.
That would be me, Mariana.
Hello, hey everybody. This is Mariana. Yeah. And my office is next door, but we shoot a lot of videos and insights, and we kind of do it on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Because like planning things and doing one big thing a month kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Like it's
just
what
go with it. Run with whatever.
Today.
Yes.
Like this. Here's something. Do you like this pink bag?
I love it.
Yellow is the one that they chose to have at the stores. They did this for like breast awareness.
Pink October, yes.
Right? Yeah?
Yeah.
I want to just order half this way because I think it's gorgeous.
Exactly. Let's just keep it and have it be pink, everything.
How would we do that?
We ask Paco Pollo.
No. We just override everyone and I send out a grand message.
Oh, you make executive decisions.
I want pink.
Make executive decisions.
Yeah. Here, you guys get to know us because I make executive decisions all the time and then I joke around and then no one does it because they think I was freaking joking, right? Does that happen?
That does happen.
So I actually wanted a big stamp that said Curtis freaking approved.
I know.
So that I could literally this is not a joke. We actually want to do this. I started the company in a garage in Portland, Oregon. And then we went and we changed every year in this company. The first year we were at art festivals throughout the United States. Oh, there's a camera right over there.
Aha.
Then we went onto Etsy.
Mm-hmm.
Then we went on to Shopify. Then we created all of our manufacturing in Portland. Bought a building and created all the manufacturing. What happened in 2020?
COVID hit.
When COVID hit, we were out of business. So I put on double masks. I flew to León, Mexico, and it's where we bought all of our leather. Because if you don't know this, León, Guanajuato, Mexico is the leather hub of all of it, all here. So we came down here and we started up doing a small amount of making down here. What we found out is the artisans down here were so much better.
That's what they do. That's like they bond generations.
So we could do other better bags, so we could be more efficient, give better prices, use better. Everything worked out better, right?
Yeah.
So then we started doing that. We just kept building and building and building. So we're going to give you insights into this YouTube channel. We're not going too deep today, but we are going to tell you this. We want to give you some insights into how we started the company, how we grow the company, but most important, our customers.
Exactly. I was going to say the important part of this.
They're so much cooler than us.
They're amazing.
Like we have millions of customers who just absolutely love our stuff. And they're always going online to the insiders group. And they're always pointing out things in the company that I did not know. They know our leathers and our products better than I do.
They know everything and they cheer on each other. And it's a beautiful community. And then sometimes, because we're opening stores, right?
Oh, yes.
We sometimes go
We
to
opened
these
a store today in Columbus, Ohio.
I love that.
Okay, they said 10. It was a soft opening, so no one knows when it's going to open. There were 10 people at 10 o'clock when the doors open.
I know.
Here's the thing. Those people, 10 to 20 people, have been there every day for weeks.
You told me
just
that
in
morning.
hopes that it opens up.
It's crazy.
When we went to Seattle and we opened our store there, you weren't there, but I was there. It was 4 blocks long. The line went down the block, wrapped back up, around, down here, and then back up. They had to wait for 3 hours to get in the store, and they all sang and cheered and were happy. Best people in the world. So we're going to do on the YouTube channel, we're going to try to give you some more insights, give you a little bit of flavor of Portland leather goods.
I know, because that is the best thing about Portland leather goods, the community. The community is just beautiful. We were at the Austin opening.
Do you know the second best thing about us, about Portland leather goods?
Us.
We were in Austin.
And people approach us and they're like, oh my God. And they start talking about what Portland leather goods means to them.
Yeah.
It is crazy. And truth is, they built this. Like they did this. They support each other. They meet on a regular basis and they talk about bags.
This is not a cheesy ass thing.
It's real.
I started Portland leather goods, but I sure as hell am not Portland leather goods.
I will beg to disagree. This whole thing wouldn't have happened.
Hey, she always disagrees. Get used to that one right now.
I sort of sometimes disagree. This wouldn't have happened if you didn't have that personality where you feed off of people's energy and feed people are drawn to you.
Yeah, I got that.
Good people are drawn to you.
I draw really good people. But then how the hell did we luck out with the great customers?
Good people are drawn to you.
Good people. Hey, magic can happen. They gave me one of these so we can put it in our things. Bye, guys.